Good day, we are here to share our paired activity on resilience. This interview aims to help us reflect on our challenges, strengths, and coping strategies, and to create a mini resilience plan for each other. This activity helps us understand ourselves better and support one another in developing personal resilience. What is one challenging experience you have overcome in the past year?
One challenging experience I overcame in the past year was managing academic pressure while dealing with personal responsibilities at home. It was difficult to balance my time and stay focused.
What personal qualities or strategies help you to get through it?
My self-discipline, determination, and time management helped me overcome it. I also stayed motivated by reminding myself of my goal to become a successful seafarer.
What did you learn about yourself during that time?
I learned that I am stronger than I thought and I can handle pressure if I stay calm and focused.
What are the current sources of stress in your life?
My current sources of stress are academic deadlines, exams, and sometimes lack of rest.
The last question is, what support or strategies might help you cope better?
Better time management, asking for help when needed, and taking short breaks to rest would help me cope better.
Stop it.